Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Release our hood, pull the handle inside, go underneath, find the safety right here, lift it up. This hood has two positions, it's a normal position and then a service position. Protect the edge of the fender, put some masking tape along it between the fender and the bumper. Protect the edge of the bumper and put some masking tape along the edge of the headlight. Just doing this so when we take the bumper off, it's less likely to scratch it. Just repeat that for the other side. There's 10 push clips on the top of the bumper that you want to remove. Here, here. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver, pop it up, take it out, and just repeat that for all the clips. The center comes out, no big deal. It'll go back in. So now the top of the bumper is loose. This actually, a little air guide behind it is loose. You could pop this out. How to remove that air guide. You don't have to raise the vehicle to get the bumper off, but we're going to do it because it's easier to show you what's going on. There should be a push clip on the side of the side of the bumper. I'm not sure if this one is original. Yours may have a center part that you need to push in to unlock it. This one is a barbed clip. I'm going to use a trim clip tool to pry it out. Repeat that for the other side. If the clip breaks, we'll just have to replace it. Just push it through. Remove this push clip here. That's all right. And there's part of our broken clip. There's one here and then two more over here. We'll follow this across. There are two clips here. Ours have actually, they were attached up there and they've broken off just from probably parking lot stoppers. You'd need to unclip these if they weren't broken. I'm just gonna leave them alone. Move on to the other ones on the other side. And this one on the outside here. This will sound like you're breaking the bumper, but you're really popping it off of the bracket here. So you're gonna grab it just below where it splits and just pull it straight out. That one came out pretty easy. It'll unclip from all the way around, just like that. There's a bunch of clips where it clips in, all into the headlight. And you're just gonna repeat that for the other side and just hold on to the bumper so it doesn't fall. Just go down around, just like that. The bumper is totally loose. I'm gonna take it straight off. Oh, I left the fog lights attached. Unplug the fog lights. There's a connector lock right here. Push it in, pull it out. Do the same for the other side. Now we can put the bumper aside. Remove the low tone horn using a 12mm socket ratchet extension. Push in the lock and unplug it. There we go. And to reinstall it, you just plug it back in. Thread the bolt in. It has little tabs where it needs to align. Just tighten it up. And that's it. Reinstall the bumper. Get it up close here. Down the middle. Plug in the fog lights. Just push them in. They'll lock when they're in place. Same for both sides. Okay. Bring the bumper up. This is why you put masking tape over the fenders. Push it in. Yep, that's going in. This tape out of the way. Line it up. I replace this clip here. Start peeling off this tape as I go along. Do the same on the other side, replace this clip. Move the tape. And put all the push clips back in the same place underneath. Replace these if yours aren't broken. I'll reinstall this air guide. Goes over the hood latch. Pull it out on the bumper a little bit. There we go. Get these little clips lined up first. Put this clip in. Put this in here. Bumper's reinstalled. Put the hood down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.